Hello and welcome on this Kaizen's tutorial. In this video, I will show you the page My Organization and all the information in. Firstly, go to My Organization. In this page, you can find the different information about your organization, such as the name, the billing address, the approvals, or the administrator. The administrator is the only one who can add new user or change billing informations. You also find a tab with the different users of your organization, with the different roles, and another page with the information about your subscription, with all the previous bills and your billing informations. Thank you for watching this video, and if you have any question, send us an email at support@skyzen.fr.